Want to snag that must-have eBay item without breaking the bank all at once? Today, we're diving into the world of Afterpay and showing you exactly how to use it on eBay to buy now and pay later, making online shopping a breeze. First, browse eBay as usual and find the item you've been eyeing. Make sure the seller accepts Afterpay. You can usually find this information in the item description or payment options. Look for the Afterpay logo. If you do not see this logo, the seller does not offer Afterpay as an option. Once you're ready, click Buy It Now. Next, you will be brought to the checkout screen. If you do not see Afterpay as a payment option, this means the seller does not accept Afterpay or your purchase is not eligible. Choose Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. After selecting Afterpay, you will be redirected to Afterpay's website or app to log in or create a new account. If you don't already have one, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Afterpay will then break down your total into 4 manageable installments, due every 2 weeks, ensuring you have enough money to pay for your item. You can easily manage your payments within the Afterpay app, track your order, and ensure you don't miss any due dates. Using Afterpay can make dream purchases a reality without stressing your budget, and that's it. For more shopping tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and check all of our videos on how to save money online.